BBQ Rando here. Hey, check it out. We have a safe and sane demo tonight. This is Black Cat, the best you can get. Check it out, hot sauce. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you know when I cook, I love spicy food. I love hot sauce. And living in Phoenix, Arizona, capital of hot sauce, if you would. So let's see what we got down here. All right, so pretty cool stuff. I love Black Cat products. I've always wanted this one. You can see, let's see back here. Oh my goodness, you can see all the information. You can see the design. That is a major firework effect if you would take a look at it. And I'm going to leave it there for a moment, and as you're looking at that, I'm going to read you the performance description. Add a little spice to your fountain collection. I love it. A yellow torrent of running sparks with scintillating yellow, blue, silver, and red make a hot palette. Safe and sane city, baby. All right, so, hey, would you like a little hot sauce? Black Cat style. Yeah. We're right back. You ready for a little hot sauce? My assistant, Aaron, go ahead and light up the fuse. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. Okay, watch, Ariana. Oh, cool!